But every now and then.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako'y magre-reaction na naman. At ito nga yung kanta na alam kong gustong gusto rin ninyo, no? Ang kanta ni John Farnham. The title is Help. Ayan. Ang cover song nito, ang cover song is si Dennis Indig. At nasaan na po ito? 3 months ago ang kanyang cover song. And ayan, pakinggan natin. At kung bago pa po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe and like and share na rin po. At doon pa lang, malaking tulong na rin po sa ating channel. Ayan. So, hindi ko patagalin pa ito. Excited ko siyang pakinggan at nagugustuhan niyo itong boses na to. Grabe guys, parang original. So, let's go. Without further ado,
when I was younger, so much younger than today, never needed anybody's help in any way. But now those days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. And now I'm fine, I've changed my mind, I've opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? And now my life has changed in so many ways. My independence seems to vanish in the air. But every now and then I feel so insecure, and now I know that I just need you like I've never done before. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you be around. Oh, help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any ways. But now those days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind, I've opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you be around. Oh, please, please help me? Won't you please, please help me?
Wow. Grabe naman. Grabe yung boses ano. Para ding ano, yung original kumanta si John Farnham. At the rest kaya niya talaga yung boses na medyo high notes talaga. And all good yung kanyang performance. Grabe yung ang linaw at ang clear ng boses, ang clear na rin yung mga lyrics na habang kumakanta siya. Sarap niyang pakinggan, para din talagang si John Farnham yung kanyang cover song. Ang galing, maganda yung kanyang boses, bagay sa kanya yung mga ganyang ano, like na voice ni John Farnham, kuwang-kuha rin niya. So I think nag-react siya, rin siya, kumakanta talaga siya sa cover song. So hindi guys, hanggang dito lang yung ating reaction video. Maraming salamat. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like and share para hindi kayo ma-miss sa mga ganitong ginagawa kong reaction video. Thank you for support always. God bless.